All right, we're back in the garage today. Nice, easy day at work, so I was able to come in. We got some beautiful weather. You don't see the vapor coming out of my breath, so it is a lot warmer, a lot nicer to work with. Really quick, let's show you what we did yesterday. We went ahead. I thought I was gonna be able to grind all that nastiness off, but I ended up cutting it, which I think was a better way of doing it. So I took the cutting wheel, cut it off. We cut off about a 1/4 inch. You could see that came off. And I took the grinder, smoothed it out, and then applied the primer. So there's a couple of sides. This side here's got the primer. This inside part's got the primer. This outside back has got the primer. So today we'll be working on the actual sockets. As you can see, did the other side too, came out real nice. So today we'll be working on the sockets. I'll be using my DeWalt gun with the wire brush. I also have a couple of other small skinny ones. We're gonna use those as well. What we wanna do is just knock off the shine, the finish on the outside of these sockets. Today you'll probably see everything painted black except the sockets. In order to see what is actually going to happen with this, you're going to have to jump over to Edtheoldtechguys channel and check out what he's going to do with this. Alright guys, one thing I like about having this type of drill with the handle, makes it real easy to control and grip. What we're also going to do is we're going to hit the trigger and we're going to lock the trigger in the on position. That way less fatigue on the hands and fingers. Here we go. Done grinding, and we're going to take our black primer and prime this whole top and the side here. We'll do a second coat. So now for the next 30 minutes you guys can watch it dry. I'm just kidding. We'll cut to when it's done. I can hold it with my hand, I can flip it over. Then we'll use the tape. We'll tape off the sockets. We'll hit the base, the welds with black. And then we'll come back and do the colors. I don't know why. The more someone tells you not to touch wet paint, the more you want to do it. But if you look at the bottom down here, you can see it's already drying. I think we're about halfway through the dry process. Some of the shine's going away, the wet look. So again, real quick, we have 2 3/4 inch sockets, 2 1/2 inch sockets, and 2 3/8 sockets. Now, why in the world would we weld 6 sockets to a piece of angle iron? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know. Hey, I hope you're really enjoying this video. I hope I've given you some pointers. Maybe you got a DIY project, or maybe just working in the garage, you like videos like this. Like, subscribe, definitely leave a comment. Really appreciate everyone who's watching and hope you're enjoying so far. So while this beast is drying, we have one step left. And that's to add the color to it. Again, that was just black primer, but now we actually have to put the black paint on the base, the welds, and then we'll add the color to the socket. I'm thinking about leaving the top black. I don't know. It all depends how difficult it is to tape the inside part of that socket. We'll see what we figure out to do. Okay, so in my opinion, I saved you guys from probably one of the most boring jobs to do whenever you're going to use a rattle can, and that is to tape whatever you don't want painted. And we're going to take our black satin and we are going to paint everything, let it dry, and then we'll figure out how to take two off, untape two, and then tape around so it doesn't get over, the black doesn't get overspray, and then we'll paint them our blue, white, and gray. All right, so again, always shake your can. The more you shake it, the better you are. If you ever nick your work like I did and mess it up, you just take another tape and that's fine. This is actually automotive tape for painting. I wish I had something thinner so I can go around the bottom, but this is gonna be just fine. So I'm now going to paint. The nice thing about the tape is that you can tell what direction you haven't hit. See how there's little paint there, so I know I haven't gone in that direction yet, so make sure we do that. Again, we want to make sure we get our edges, cover them well. We don't want it to drip up or bubble up. So we really want to make sure that we take a good look at our work. Drips are horrible. I hate drips. Okay, so I'm gonna get the other lip on the other side, but I'm gonna have to put the camera down. So we want to do this outside edge. What's up, Wu-Tang Clan? What's going on? Thank you guys once again for watching the videos. Now you may be asking, why is this guy in his house and not in the garage working on Edtheoldtechguys project? Well, I have some good news and I have some bad news. The good news, the project is complete and it looks good. Also, Edtheoldtechguy has it, and he's in the process right now of making his video. The bad news, I'm not gonna show it on my channel. Since it is Edtheoldtechguys project, I just helped him paint it. He's gonna actually unveil it on his channel, and he's gonna see it for the first time. So I need you to click on his channel so you can see it for the first time with him. Hit that link and check it out. And I gotta say, I do feel a little guilty for not showing you guys the final product. I'm happy that I was able to help Edtheoldtechguy paint it. He did send me a text and he did like it. He says it looks good. So I need everybody who's part of the Wu-Tang Clan, I need you guys to click on that link, go check out Edtheoldtechguy and his video and see what he's going to use that piece of angle iron with sockets what he's gonna do with it. It's gonna be really cool. Let's show him some love. Thank you again for everybody who's been watching my channel, especially those who have subscribed and who are now part of the family. The who is where it's at, baby. Throw up that W with pride. I know the name is really close to another old school rap group, but hey, it's a parody. It's just something to have fun with. All right, guys. Thanks again. And if you haven't subscribed and you want to be part of the Wu-Tang Clan, make sure that you click that subscribe button, like the video, throw a comment. Any comment is good with me, even if it's negative. I'm a grown man. I can handle it. No problem. Again, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys like. Let me know what you don't like. If you guys felt that it was bogus for me to not show you the finished product, hey, leave a comment. Like I said, just having a little fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next video. Wu-Tang Clan for life, baby. Peace out.